Transport of CO2. Okay, CO2 is transported in three ways. Oxygen is transported in two ways, by the plasma and with the help of hemoglobin, but by RBC. But here in this CO2 is transported in three ways. What are they? In dissolved state, and as carbamino compounds, and as a bicarbonates. Okay, here first one is in dissolved state. Here mainly 7% of carbon dioxide is carried out in a dissolved state. Means in the blood, how much? 7% of CO2 is dissolved in state through plasma. Okay, here that is combines with the, means carbon dioxide in the alveoli, that combines with the water, and that form the bicarbonate. Okay, it is the H2CO3. Okay, and next as carbamino compounds. By the carbamino compounds, nearly 20 to 25% of carbon dioxide is combines directly with the free amino group of HP and forms carbamino hemoglobin. Okay, means how much carbon dioxide is transporting? 20 to 25%. Here hemoglobin that contain the amino groups. Okay, hemoglobin that contain the amino group. This amino group, that carbon dioxide is combined with the amino group of hemoglobin, and that form the carbamino hemoglobin. It is called as a carbamino hemoglobin. Okay, here binding of carbon dioxide means how when the carbon dioxide that can easily combine, that based on these factors. When in tissues, the partial pressure of carbon dioxide is high and PO2 is low, then the binding of CO2 is more. Okay, and in alveoli, the PCO2, partial pressure of carbon dioxide, is low and partial pressure of oxygen is high in alveoli. Then at that time, the dissociation means separation of carbon dioxide from this carbamino hemoglobin will move. Okay, means these are the factors based on this for the combining of carbon dioxide, for the binding of carbon dioxide. These are the factors, high PO2, high PCO2 and a low PO2. For the dissociation of carbon dioxide, that can in the alveoli, that should be low PCO2 and high PO2. Okay, here CO2, how the carbamines formed? When the carbon dioxide is bound to the hemoglobin from the tissues, that is in the alveoli. Means CO2 is bound to the hemoglobin from the tissues to the alveoli. Next, carbamino forms, means how the carbamino compounds are formed. These are formed by the union of this carbon dioxide and also the plasma protein. Now, in these three ways, the third one as bicarbonates. As bicarbonates, here how carbon dioxide is transported. Here nearly 70% of carbon dioxide is transported as bicarbonates. Means it transport more carbon dioxide in this through these bicarbonates. Okay, RBCs contain high concentration of the enzyme. RBC contain one enzyme. What is that? Carbonic anhydrase enzyme. Okay, here when carbon dioxide mixed with the water in the alveoli, what happens in the presence of carbonic anhydrase enzyme, that is formed as H2CO3. Okay, carbonic acid, and it is what is this? It is carbonic acid. And that in the presence of same carbonic anhydrase enzyme, that are dissociated into bicarbonate plus H plus ions. Okay, hydrogen ions. Here at a tissue site, partial pressure of carbon dioxide is high. Here it is due to the catabolism. Catabolism means using of oxygen. Due to that, here in this in the tissue site, that contain PCO2. Partial pressure is high, and carbon dioxide diffuses into the blood in the RBC and also in the plasma. Means that at the tissue level, that carbon dioxide mixed in the blood, okay, and that formed as the carbonic acid, okay, in the tissues that formed as a carbonic acid, and that is dissociated, means that are separated into bicarbonates and hydrogen ions, okay. In alveolar site, at alveolar site, when partial pressure of carbon dioxide is low, and reaction is in opposite direction, okay, opposite direction, they formed as a, again that is formed as a carbon dioxide and water, okay, means it reaction will be in opposite direction. And next, here CO2 is trapped in the bicarbonates, in the bicarbonates the CO2 is trapped, and at tissues that carbon dioxide is trapped in the bicarbonates and transported to the alveoli and released out as a CO2. Means already in the bicarbonate carbon dioxide is present, so in the tissue level that is present, and that is transported to the alveoli as a CO2, okay. And next, every 100 ml of deoxygenated that is mixed with the carbon dioxide mixed deoxygenated blood, okay, delivers approximately 4 ml of carbon dioxide. How much? 4 ml of carbon dioxide that can deliver. Here mainly it is to maintain, means here the carbon dioxide bicarbonates, the transport is occurring in the blood and in the tissues. To maintain the electrolyte balance, to maintain in that regions of electrolyte balance, here that chloride ions diffuse from plasma. In plasma, chloride ions are present that are diffuse, means that are transfer, that goes into the RBCs, okay, that goes into the RBCs when bicarbonate ions passed out. Means when the chlorine ions are inside in this, that when carbon dioxide ions are goes out, then the chlorine ions are goes into the RBCs, okay. Here means into the plasma, that exchange of chlorine and bicarbonate ions is called chloride shift. Means when bicarbonates are going outside, the chlorine is inside, and when the bicarbonates are inside, the chlorine ions are, means exchange of bicarbonates and chlorine ions is called as that is called as chloride shift, or that is also called as Hamburg's shift. Means they maintaining the electrolyte balance.